Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Braided Styles. We are here for another quick cute watch me work video. I'm just going to be doing a cute little half up braided at the top, sewing in the back, and yeah, we're gonna get into this. You know, y'all can see me work real quick, real simple style, real good protective style. If you want to take a break from heat, anything, you know, you don't really want to touch your hair, this is the style for you. Okay, so make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share my video, show your friends if you want to, you know, let them see how to do little stuff here and there. I'm your girl. Y'all ready to get into this little quick video with your girl?
Let's get into it.
As you can see right here, I have braided the back and section off the top. I will be sewing along where I cut the cap, and I will be using the flip over method with the bundles. I ended up only using 2 bundles and a half, I believe, and the longest was a 24. You see here, it is sewed in there so beautifully. You cannot see any of the tracks the way I flipped them over. And yeah, I will not be having to leave out here, so you guys will see what the finishing product look like here in just a second. But I did leave a little track exposure right there, but the braids will be laying over there, so you will not be seeing that track at all, okay? Okay, and this is what it looked like, y'all. Right now I am laying her edges down, her baby hairs, making it all cute and whatnot, you know what I'm saying? I am going to mousse her down, get the hair a little wavy going on, and I am going to set her under the dryer for a little while and dip her braids so that her ends are sealed. So getting into this meltdown, y'all, I did use some bundles that my client had ordered from Amazon. I believe it was loose wave that we used in here. So we're just gonna wet it up, get them curls back popping. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. So boom, this is what it looked like, y'all, when I got done. Ain't that so cute? I'm turning around and try to get a full 360 of it. Yes ma'am, my client, she loved it. Fierce facing. Oh, y'all gotta check out All American if y'all ain't watched this shit fire. And that's what it looked like, y'all. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, period.